Well, this is the compressor sensor right here, and it's a pool of oil here. You guys can see how much oil is there. It's full of oil, and the injectors going right here. They're going right there with the gas lines right here. Those are the gas lines. You guys can see how burned is this thing inside. Everything is really burned, and the injectors are really bad. You can see it. These ones are really bad. So I'm gonna replace those. So that's how it's gonna look. I have to take this one out. This thing, the mana flow, I have to take it out. That way I can take the sensor. It's right there.